Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Shein Zip Pay feature. So let's get straight into the video. So let's understand what the Zip Pay feature is. So when you select Zip as your payment method to split your bill, you will get 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. So in order to do it, simply go ahead and open your Shein application, add something to your cart, and then simply go ahead and head into your checkout tab. This is where you'll have to enter your address detail, of course, and when you simply go ahead and enter your address detail and save it, it's going to ask you for a payment method where you can simply go ahead and log in into your Zip account by selecting Zip, which will automatically go ahead and split your payment into 4. So 25% down payment is charged immediately, and then the others are charged every 2 weeks. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.